Set 10247, also known as the Ferris Wheel to most of you, is an awesome set. It's really big and really beautiful, but I just don't like it. So coming in at 2,464 pieces and retailing for $200, it's one of the largest sets that I've ever purchased. But something really bothers me about it. And the thing is, it's just too big. And now, I don't mean that it's too tall or too wide. What I mean is that I can't just place it anywhere that I want to in the city. It requires a lot of planning and needs something like a park around it. Like, if you look at the city as a whole, it just looks too crowded and it looks like as if it doesn't belong. And for me to be happy with it, I would need to place it in, say, an amusement park or maybe a recreational park like it's in now, but it would need to be much, much larger and much further away from the buildings and the downtown area. Just, to make me happy because to me, this doesn't look real. So although it's an incredible set, I'm just not sure what I'm going to do with it for the time being. Maybe I'm not going to dismantle it. I don't want to do that. But maybe I should just put it on display somewhere else until I get more room, and that way I can be happy and just use this space for something else. Or maybe it's fine where it is. Or maybe I should rearrange the city in a way that it would work. So again, just let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm in a predicament, and hopefully any one of you can help. Keep in mind, again, that I don't want to dismantle it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a great week. Keep building, and I will see you next Sunday.